should, like, I think she should constantly do that to, you know, because some people don't actually understand the agenda sometimes. Like, I don't get it, and I get the classroom confused.
So what should Ms. Dennis do more often than, what would you like her to do?
Like,
more often?
to explain and then, like, ask us questions to like, what the agenda means.
Okay. What the objective means to you before getting into her lecture part, like first, get what you guys know first.
Yes.
Okay, okay.
Aside from extra examples, is there anything else that in general would make instructions clear for you as a group? Yeah, or you personally?
Probably you can make an example like in front of us.
So create the example right there in front of you. So thinking aloud. That's called actually in teacher world. That's called think aloud. Okay. So you would want me to do a think aloud and go through the thinking process of how I came up with that. I think that's a really valid point, right? So that might have been more helpful in the beginning to think one out. So maybe showing one and then and thinking one out might be helpful doing both. Right? Okay. So there's some issues happening between friends. Yeah, see? Okay. And here's the thing, it's starting to impact class. It's starting to, I can feel it as a teacher in the classroom environment. What could we do, either what could I do as a teacher, or what could you do as a group of boys maybe, because you guys feel like you're being pulled in as a group, or what can we do as a class to help bring peace to the situation? Okay, can you do that for me?
Can I do that?
Yes.
I want you to think about this. Like,
Okay.
no, just okay.
Go.
Like, I'm not sure. Just think about it. Okay.
Yes.
Like, what if like one day we just spend like an hour or something as a class, we get in a circle and actually just talk to each other, like what we don't like about.
I'm just saying it's okay.
I'm writing down your suggestion.
Like, so if like, you know, we're on class and I tell Sydney, I don't like when you do this. Like, seriously, you need to stop. Like, it's getting annoying. Yeah, no, it's like that. Just think about it.
So, okay, so you're talking about setting aside time to discuss class
Problems. Yes.
on a regular basis, not just this one
No, yeah.
case.
I'll take it.
Got it? I'm glad you brought that up because I thought about it and I was kind of scared to do it, I'll be honest, because a lot of chaos can come from that, right? So, tell you what, as part of my homework, I'll look into a format that I'm most comfortable with, okay? And then I'll run it by you guys before I try it. What do you think about that? Yes?
Yes.